Hey, Brains.
Hey, Rango.
Guess what?
What?
I'm gonna start my own rodeo today. Rango's Rodeo.
Rango's Rodeo.
What do you think?
I like the idea of that.
It's gonna be awesome.
Well, what are we waiting for? Let's get rodeoing.
Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, Rango. Wish me luck. Our first challenge is to see if Rango can lasso this horse. Easy.
Be careful, Rango.
I'm always careful. I'm sheriff around here.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Ready? Get set. Brains, go. There. Come here. There. There.
Rango!
There.
Cut it
out.
You okay?
Yeah, fine. Silly lasso. Our next challenge is to see if Rango can stop all these fools. Huh?
I'm not sure about this.
I'll be fine. Ready? Set, go! Huh? No! How that hurts!
Well, stand still.
I knew I should have stopped this Rango's Rodeo thing.
That's what I've been trying to tell you.
But it still was fun.
Bit too fun.
Well, it was painful too.
Ow! Stand still!